Ever tried getting a shape in Canva to fit the exact size you need and it just doesn't line up right, no matter how carefully you drag those edges? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to resize any shape in Canva to precise, pixel perfect dimensions. No guessing, no frustration. Let's jump right in. First, open your design in Canva and click on the shape you want to resize. It could be a circle, square, rectangle, anything. Once selected, you'll notice the toolbar appear at the top of your screen. Now here's the part most people miss. Look for the position option in that top toolbar and click it. This opens up a panel where you'll see an advanced section. Inside this section, you'll find two boxes, one for width W and one for height H. Simply type in the exact size you want. For example, if you need your rectangle to be 500 pixels wide and 300 pixels tall, just enter those numbers in their respective boxes. Canva will automatically adjust your shape to match those dimensions perfectly. Pro tip, if you want to keep your shape's proportions locked while resizing, hold down the Shift key as you drag the corner handles instead. But if you're entering exact dimensions manually, Canva handles the rest precisely. No distortion, no extra steps. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can make your shapes perfectly sized for any design, whether it's for a thumbnail, social post, or print layout. If you found this helpful, be sure to try it out in your next Canva project. You'll be amazed how much cleaner and more professional your designs look when every element is sized just right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.